Another great demonstration with dry ice is when you take some dry ice and have a flask full of universal indicator, which is green, it's neutral. As soon as you add the carbon dioxide dry ice to it, bubbles start to form and you can see it changes to a lovely yellow and you get the nice cauldron effect as well. Then, stopper that up, using a sidearm flask, it starts to come out here nicely, so you get a nice smoke machine. But if you then have some soapy water, dip that in there and you get beautiful smoky bubbles. And off they go. So smoky bubbles from our dry ice. And these are really fun. And they bounce and you can catch them and they just go puff in your hand. So more fun with dry ice. You can